Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can create the glowing effects on image in Canva. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So first we need to go in the app here. Okay, and search for that gradient. Okay, so just select that gradients app. Okay, so we need the gradients. You can choose color from here. Okay, so we have two colors here, so you can change your color. Okay, like this. Okay, so here we have that. Okay, so you can also add more color if you want. Okay, like this. So we have three color, and from here you can change that view preview. Okay, so you can change that gradient style. So just choose this one. Here you can, from here also you can change that every single color gradient percentage like this. Okay, okay, so let me add. Okay, so let me delete some color here, by mistakenly add it. Okay, so we have this color. Once you're done, just add to the design or page. Okay, now we have this gradient. You can also create other gradients. You can change the color. Okay, like this. Okay, so we have another gradient here. Okay, you can choose your gradient style. Once you're done, just add to the design. So we have two design right now, so you can make resize and make fit to the canvas like this. Okay, and here in that transparency you can increase decrease the transparency like this. Once you're done, go to the share, go to the see all, and just copy the clipboard. So it will be copy the clipboard and it will be create as a image. So you can add the another page and paste this, copy it, clipboard here. So we have this clipboard here. Now you can upload your image. Okay, if you want to create glowing effect on image, you can upload image from here. Okay, or you can search image, like I have searched already, so I just use this one. And make sure both image ratio or size should be almost same. Okay, now go to the app again and search for blend image. Okay, here we have the blend image options app here, so you can open it. Okay, now choose your image and select bottom layers. Use this select option, select image option. Now select that gradient and select the top, and here you need to select color only, and here we have the final result. Okay, just add to design. Now you can delete that image and gradient, and you can see we have the final result with that glowing and the light effects. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.